Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I want to share with you guys my new MCM purchases for Valentine's Day. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and I'm just about everything in handbags, from luxury to even non-luxury handbags. And today we have a kind of a fun, not really a total unboxing, but an unveiling, if you will. So I just received my new MCM purchase yesterday, and I got these from the Real Real. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I will do this one first. So again, pre-loved, right? Off the Real Real. This one I wasn't really sure about. I hemmed and hawed over it, and finally I'm like, you know what? If you don't buy it, you're going to be really mad later when you see it sold to somebody else. So I bought it. So here it is. Again, this is Modern Creation München, which is MCM, and it is what?
Nice.
Oh, and this is her right here. This must be a little AirPod holder. There's so many of those out right now. But this is the bag. If you guys notice a little theme going on here, we have the French bulldog theme going on. Super cute. I love dogs. I love dogs so much. Anything dog, I go crazy about. But this one was a nice little, nice crossbody. I love the fact that it has, of course, you know me, detachable strap, the shoulder strap, but then it also has, you can carry it hand or you can carry it shoulder, however you want. It's just super, super, I think, really cute. Now, in luxury, I know we're always worried about how pretty, how beautiful. Um, you know, Luxury can still be fun, and have, a little bit of adorableness to it. Um, I just think sometimes we're just so serious about things. I like personally having some bags that are kind of fun and just cute. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of cuteness. We all need cuteness in our lives. Okay, we do. So on the inside here, it's still got the Real Real tag in here, but in super, super good condition. Really, really good condition. In fact, I don't see any wear to this piece. The strap still looks really great. Take that smell test. No odors. Um, no, beautiful bag. Beautiful, cute bag. I just think this will be something fun to carry around, especially on, times when you're either out shopping or you're at a show or an event and you just want to carry something lightweight and not so big in there. So I think this is just a really cute functional bag. And this one, I'm going to tell you what I paid for this one. So this one was marked down, and I paid $367.50 for this one, which I think is a decent deal for this bag. Not too expensive. Again, MCM is a luxury brand. I know a lot of people don't think of it. When we think luxury, we think Louis Vuitton, we think Hermes, we think Gucci, Bottega Veneta. We think of all those bigger houses that are, a bunch Chanel, everyone's talking about, it seems like the same, like maybe five luxury brands. But I think like I did a video on MCM just a little while back. Watch that. You'll learn all about MCM. And they use incredible leather. They use Spanish leather. All their bags are really, really well made. Um, they really do stand the test of time. I personally think this is a great brand. They're not horribly expensive, again, for a luxury brand that's well made. Um, so I think this is really cute. This is just something I wanted to share with you guys. This isn't something that, I'm telling you guys you need to go find, you need to go buy. Um, don't want to do that. That's not what I'm about. I don't ever want to tell you guys what you need to buy, what you don't need to buy this, don't buy that, invest in this, don't invest that. Um, I share. I share. I love sharing. I want to educate you guys, but I don't want to be telling you guys what to do because that's not my job. Okay. I have enough taking care of myself. And so I did find one other thing, which was, horribly cute since we're on cuteness today, right? Cute. So this one, I, when I carry my key fob in my bag, I don't know about you, but there's many times where it sinks to the bottom of my bag and I have to dig for it. And I hate doing that. I don't always need it. Usually you walk up to the car, it unlocks when you walk up to the car. But there's times I do like to either take it out or something. So instead of digging for it, I wanted something to help identify it when I'm digging through my bag. So I found something. Again, this is from MCM as well. And just fun and cute. Just fun and cute. And it is this little guy. This little guy right here. So this is their elephant keychain. And yes, he is leather. And he's got a little faux fur little tail. He's even got little husks on him. He's kind of cute. Super adorable. This you can also hook to your handbag as well. Handbag charm, keychain, whatever. But I figured I could use this, put it on there. Then when I reach my bag, I just feel for the elephant. And I know I have my key fob. So, and it's something that will be inside the bag that also won't damage it. I don't like to have anything that's like plastic or metal as a keychain or even a purse fob because the metal hitting up against the bag after a while is no bueno. No bueno on that one. So that's why I like the leather ones. Just fun. I think it's super cute. And this one I actually got, this one's marked down. And it was pre-loved, of course, from the Real. This little guy, the Visetos elephant, I paid $87.75 for him. So, and I've seen him on other sites for like 200, 150. So I got a really good deal on that, I think, personally. So super cute on that one, guys. And if you guys are wondering what fits in this bag, okay, I am actually super happy because let me see if I can get my big fat Louis Vuitton wallet in here. Almost close, but no cigar. So what I usually do then is I'll either just put in my ID and my credit card and throw it in the bag, or I got a smaller wallet like this one here, this little Coach wallet, and that one will fit in here. Why is everything harder on camera? I don't know. So I can fit a small wallet, okay? I can fit my key fob, but I don't know if I stick the elephant on the key fob, he won't fit in there. So that'll stick in there. Will my sunglasses fit in there? Actually, you know what? They will. So you can fit either cheaters or sunglasses, or anything like that. You can probably still fit a lip gloss in there. I'm always with my, oh, here's my cheaters. Um, right here, I always have these because, as we get older, we can't see as well. So, you know. So anyway, guys, um, wanted to share this with you. Again, I think MCM is a great brand, and there are some other bags that I found on the Real, which I've been scoping. I like to make my big pile, as I call it, of all my likes, and I have them all hoarded in my likes page, and then I kind of comb through and decide, figure out if I want to buy something or not. But I like to comb through there. I'm constant, I'm constantly combing through and looking at handbags all over the place, just seeing what's cute, what's whatever. But I wanted to share these with you because again, cute brand. And then this, I just thought pink. I mean, I guess I kind of bought it for Valentine's Day. Um, you know, my husband's going to be out of town for Valentine's Day this year, so I figured, you know, yeah, I have my handbag to keep me company then. I hope you enjoyed my showing you this. I hope you at least get entertained by this. And also just to know, like I said, I like to show you other things that are out there rather than the same old thing. Um, and again, buying pre-loved always is going to save you some money. So look out for that there. So if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.